So this is a 2012 Unicorn Bailey Unicorn Seville. Just going to take it around the van and show you how it operates. Front of the van, you've got your hookup procedure, or your hookup, brake and jockey wheel, and your ATC. I'll go through this more in person on site. Front locker, you've got your gas locker with your gas pipe and your 2 gas bottle tie downs. Down the side of the van, you've got your storage locker. At the front, your wet storage locker. You've then got your onboard water tank. I'll explain a bit more about this when we go inside the van. You've then got your water pump connection, just here, so water pump pushing inside the van, and then your Aldi breather vent for your heating and hot water. Motor mover and wheels I'll come back to, and also the waste pipes when you're here in person. 2 fridge vents on the side of the caravan. Your toilet flush fill tank, so 3.5 litres of water in here and a cap full of the pink fluid. Then in the bottom you've got your toilet waste cassette, which you put 1 litre of water in and a cap full of the blue fluid. Going around the other side of the van. Gas barbecue point and wet locker at the front. 3-pin plug coming out to the awning, and your battery box and 240 volt connection. Coming inside of the caravan, you've got your main power switch, master power switch. You've then got your awning lights, internal lights for the caravan, and your awning lights for the outside of the van. Water pump run. To fill the water system, you're going to have your aqua roll connect on the outside, and you're going to go to each tap on the caravan. I'm not going to fill this up at the moment, just due to the fact we've got bits and pieces in the van. You're going to turn the tap to the hot side and open the tap up completely, and the same with the sink and shower in the bathroom. Once you've done that, you can come over to the water pump, turn on the water pump, and that will start filling the water system on board the van. Once the water system's full, you'll have water coming out the taps continuously, and then you can turn the tap off on each side, and you'll be able to start warming your hot water on your water on electric. So first of all, you need to flick this switch on just here when you connect it to mains, and then you'd come to the control panel by the door. So with the heating and hot water control panel on, with the power switch on the other side, you can press store reset. As you can see at the moment, it says off just here. You need to turn this to on the up and down buttons just here. You then come across to the right, and it will take you to the internal temperature of the caravan. Now at the moment it's at 5 degrees. To turn it up, again you go up or down for the heating control, heating temperature inside of the van. At the moment I'm going to leave that at 5 degrees. If you come across to the right again, you've got water on and water off. So this is your water heating. You've either got it on or off. Come to the right again, you've got your gas supply for the heating and hot water. You've either got off or on. It will self-ignite on gas, and if it does fail to ignite, it will come up with gas fail on the screen just here. If you come to the right again, you've got the amount of power coming to the caravan. So you've got 1, 2 or 3 kilowatts on this particular van you can use. If you're on a 500 watt site, then I would use the 1 kilowatt, and it will just work at a slower rate. In the top right hand corner, it's just informing you here that you've got a power source coming into the caravan. I just showed you how to fill the water system, but I never showed you the drain down valve. So underneath the seat on the far side of the caravan, underneath the seat, there is a yellow valve, which is, when I can see it, just down the back of the tank. So I can't actually see it in this particular video, but just down the back behind this valve just here, you'll actually see a yellow valve, which is the drain down valve, which is standard on caravans across multiple years. So if that's in the upright position, you'll be able to drain the water system down, and if it's upright, then if it's down and parallel with the floor, you'll be able to fill the water system on board the caravan. Microwave cooker work the same as household items, no difference there at all, and the gas hob on top. With the fridge, you've got your option to run on mains power, 12 volt supply when you're towing down the road, so that's a 12 volt supply from the vehicle you're towing with, and then gas at the bottom. To get the fridge to ignite on gas, you press in the temperature control and hit the igniter on the right hand side. Once it has ignited, the little red line that you see on the side there will come around to the green, and if it has ignited, it will stay in the green. Control the temperature on gas or electric, you've got the valve just here. With the toilet, you've got an electric flush up top, and then underneath that you've got your waste flap for the toilet itself. Shower, sink, etc. works the same as with household items, no differences there at all. If you have any further questions on the Bailey Unicorn Seville, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you very much. Bye bye.